Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcuts bar at the top of your Google Vids Edit page. So when you've got a video file open in front of you and you're trying to edit it, you'll notice this shortcuts bar at the top. The shortcuts bar basically just gives you shortcuts to use to get to some very common or popular editing features, things like that. In order, you can search for things. In Google Vids, this will add a new scene. In Google Slides, it'll add a new slide. It just depends on what app you're in. Undo, redo, zoom in, choose your fit, 50%, 75%, or just make it fit on the screen. The selector, this you would need in order to select an actual object like this. Notice that once I selected this video object, this shortcuts bar added a whole bunch of stuff to it. The shortcuts bar is going to show you shortcuts to tools that can be used for whatever you have selected on the screen. If you have nothing, it'll just be the scene in general. If you select something, it will be any shortcut you can use on that one thing. So the shortcuts bar is actually context specific. If I unselect, I have a shortcut for adding a comment, customizing the styles. The paint format is a special tool for formatting. Select the background or edit or update the transition. So shortcuts get you quick access to a lot of different tools. And depending on the object you have selected, that shortcuts bar is going to update for that specific object. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.